Understanding the restoration process. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts: the restoration process. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the concept behind it. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of restoration process together. The phrase, restoration process, consists of two key words: restoration and process. Restoration refers to the act of returning something to its original condition by repairing it or cleaning it. It implies bringing back a former state or quality that was lost or damaged. On the other hand, process indicates a series of actions or steps taken in order to achieve a particular end. When we combine these words, the restoration process refers to the systematic approach or steps undertaken to restore or return something to its original or a usable condition. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples where the restoration process is commonly used. Art and cultural heritage. In museums or galleries, the restoration process might involve cleaning, repairing, and preserving ancient artifacts, paintings, or buildings to their original glory. Environmental conservation. Here, it refers to efforts to restore ecosystems, such as forests, rivers, and wildlife habitats, back to their natural state. Personal recovery. This could refer to the process of healing and returning to health after an illness or injury, emphasizing the steps involved in rehabilitation. Data recovery. In the tech world, this involves retrieving and restoring lost or corrupted data from damaged or failed storage devices. Understanding the restoration process is crucial not only for academic purposes but also for practical applications in real life. It helps us appreciate the efforts involved in preserving cultural heritage, the importance of environmental conservation, the journey of personal recovery, and the complexities of data recovery. This phrase encapsulates the idea that restoration is not just an action but a journey involving careful planning and execution. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of the restoration process. Whether it's about restoring a masterpiece, reviving an ecosystem, recovering from an illness, or retrieving lost data, the restoration process plays a vital role in various aspects of life. Remember, every restoration journey is a step towards bringing back the inherent value of something precious. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.